Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up volume on Thinkorswim. First, open your Thinkorswim platform and navigate to any chart. Look for the Studies icon, which often resembles a beaker or a small graph, usually located near the top right of your chart window. Clicking this icon will open a menu where you can add various technical indicators to enhance your trading analysis. Once the Studies menu is open, you'll see a search bar. Type volume into this bar. The platform will display a list of indicators, and you should select the standard volume option. After selecting it, click the Add Selected button. This action will immediately apply the volume indicator to your chart, typically appearing as a histogram at the bottom of your price action. To customize the volume display, click the small gear icon next to the volume study in your studies list. This opens the settings window. Here, you can modify parameters like the aggregation period, which determines how volume is grouped. You can also change the colors of the volume bars, perhaps using green for up volume and red for down volume, to make market sentiment instantly clear. Beyond the basic volume indicator, Thinkorswim offers advanced options. Consider adding Volume Profile to see volume distribution at different price levels. You can also set alerts to notify you when volume crosses a certain threshold, which is useful for identifying significant market activity. Remember to save your customized chart as a template so you can quickly apply your preferred volume setup to any new chart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.